Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop doesn't want to turn on. Well, in such case, make sure that you properly plugged in the charging cable into your computer. It has to be charged. It has to be plugged into the one of the USB Type-C ports on the left side of your device. Once you plug in the charging cable into your PC, just press the power button in a while after your device charges a little, and your laptop will start turning on. Now, but if it doesn't, if it's not happening, then make sure that you properly plugged in the charging cable to your AC adapter, and the AC adapter is properly connected to the power socket. Now, the next thing that you should check is whether your charging cable, AC adapter, or the rest of the cable have any visible damages, and if they do, replace them. Also check the powerage of your AC adapter. It has to be at least 65 watts. Well, for me it's 45 and my laptop is still somehow charging, but generally speaking, if you have less than 65 watts of power, which you can find, well, let me focus the camera, okay, which you can find right here on your adapter specifications. As you can see right here, for me it says 45 watts. But you have to use at least 65 if you want your laptop to charge properly, and also make sure that you're using a charging AC adapter from a reliable source, from a reputable distributor, because cheap adapters can break your laptop's battery, and it's surely not what you want. And the last thing, if you checked everything and everything should work fine, then maybe your laptop was exposed to either extremely hot or cold temperatures, and maybe something is frozen inside of it, or overheating. In such cases, you have to leave your device to rest without a charging cable for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or cold the temperatures were. After that, plug in the charging cable into your PC, leave it to charge for half an hour, and then try turning it on again. And in case it doesn't help, maybe your laptop's battery is dead, and in such case, I recommend either contacting the ACER customer support service, telling them about your issue, and maybe you can send them your laptop for battery replacement, or alternatively just head to the nearest repair center and let them take care of your laptop's battery. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.